All right, y'all. So we are back in our truck. We are en route to a 2007 Hyundai Elantra. Uh, we're gonna try to get y'all a full day of a full day today. We're gonna try to get y'all a full day of record of videos, um, and try to see if I can edit it all in one video and post it on YouTube. Um, can't guarantee it, but I'm gonna try my best to do it. So, like I said, we are en route to a 2007 Honda Elantra. Uh, don't quite know what's wrong with it. Usually, it's like a jump start or flat tire or something. So, whenever they don't tell me, usually it's that. Don't know. We'll see when we get there. So, I'll see you guys as soon as I arrive. All right, y'all. We arrived. Let's go ahead and get out and bust this thing out. Okay. All right, y'all. We loaded it up. We are currently en route to drop this vehicle. I think that's the boys. I think the boys but we are currently en route to drop this vehicle off. For, some reason I feel like my truck is struggling with this little ass car in the back of the bed. But I'll see you guys whenever we arrive to the drop off. is going on? What is going on? What is going on? We are en route to a 2019 BMW 760i. It is unattended. It's a flat tire. I guess he don't have a spare, so we're gonna go ahead and drive that mug right on his bed and get it delivered to the BMW dealership. You dig? So we are about 30-something minutes away because we are out of Pittsburgh. So we are en route to it. 37 minutes. So we still got a while till we get there. I'm currently at the gas station at the fuel station filling up. So as soon as we get done with that, which we are done here now, I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing out and get moving, and I'll see you guys at the BMW. Alright, y'all, we arrived to this BMW. Pull right up in front of it. Pull that bad boy right up on the bed. They said the keys are in the cup holder. Gotta turn on PTO. Quick drink. Alright, y'all. We arrived. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy loaded up. Alright, y'all, let's go ahead and take a walk around. Nice and tight. Alright, y'all, we got it all loaded up. We are on our way to our BMW dealership. We're about to go drop this off, but I don't want to waste your time just talking to y'all. So let's go ahead and get this over to the BMW, and I'll see y'all guys when I get there. Alright, y'all, we arrived to our destination. We're about to hop out and get this bad boy off the truck. So we can go finish these calls. Let's get it.
Last but not least, guys, good old Dropbox. Just like that, and then bye-bye. Better go in. Hold on. Let's do it like that. Wah bang. Wah bang. All right. All right, y'all. We are on our way to a Nissan Pathfinder Jumpstart. We were about 55 minutes, 55 minutes away. We're currently 10 minutes away from this vehicle. So as soon as we arrive, I'll get back to you guys. Please make sure y'all hit that follow button. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe. Also, hit that bell notification for more if y'all want to see more. Also, anytime I upload, you will get a notification. Hit that bell notification. You will get a notification every time I upload. So make sure y'all hit that bell. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all hit the like and comment up underneath. And I'll see you guys as soon as we arrive to this jump start. Nope. Try one more time. Nope. All right, try it again. All right, y'all, we got her started and we're ready to go to our next one. Let's go.